Okay guys, we're going to do a toolkit on descending order. So descending order is this grammar of algebra that I've been referring to for a couple of weeks now, and I just want you guys to have written down notes about this. So again, your answers will still be correct if you don't memorize and master descending order. It's just that your answers will be slightly more correct and match and line up with other people's answers more consistently if you learn descending order. And it's not too difficult, so we'll just talk about the rules here. So after we combine like terms, we can organize our work in descending order. To write in descending order, variables come before constants. And remember, constants are just the numbers. So we could put in parentheses numbers. So in this example, write in descending order, well, we've got 2 plus x plus 5, and we can simplify that to x plus 7, combining those two numbers. And that's as simple as it is. Constants come last always when we have variable expressions, and variables come first. The second rule is that variables follow in the order of the alphabet when they are being added. So here we've got 3y plus 2w plus 7x. So we want to think about alphabetical order here, sorry. Alphabetical order w, x, y, z. So our w's are going to come first, so we'll say this is 2w plus 7x plus 3y. And that would be the correct order for descending order. The third rule is variables follow in the order of the alphabet when they are being multiplied. So if you have a term like y times x, it's more correct to say xy rather than yx. Even though we know with the commutative property of multiplication, both of those are equal, it's just that with descending order, we'll always kind of follow the alphabet for variables that are different. The fourth rule is that variables with a higher exponent come before a lower exponent. An example is we've got x squared plus x to the third power plus x to the fifth. And when we have just a single number here, we can remember that that is like x to the first. So we're going to start with our highest exponent. So we'll start with x to the fifth plus x cubed plus x squared plus x. And we don't have to write to the first power, but you can if you'd like to. But that would be our descending order for exponents of different degrees. And the fifth rule and final rule is if you have two terms that have the same first exponent, look at the second exponent and follow the rules above. So here we have xy squared plus xy plus xy cubed plus xy to the fifth. So it's just like the one above where we're going to put our highest exponent first. So we would say xy to the fifth plus xy cubed plus xy squared plus xy. And I think that pretty much covers it. So just to review, we're going to always follow alphabetical order when we have exponents of different, we're going to follow the alphabetical order when we have different variables. We're going to follow number order with highest exponents coming first when we have highest exponents, and that's the gist. For your practice, I'd like you to complete problems 1 through 6. All right, thank you.